Namaste to everyone. Pranams. A warm welcome to this session of Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting. Sarvebhyaha Harda Swagatam. Similar to last class, we will have a practice session today also. And we will do the practice from 51st verse. So, my humble request to everyone is to only those who have not got an opportunity in the last class to raise hands. Since we are going to have complete 1 hour for practice, after those who have not got the opportunity recite the shloka, later I will again request for others to raise hands. So in the first part, I request only those people who haven't got an opportunity in the last class to please raise your hands. So let us start with today's class with Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurudaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurov paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guroh. Dhyanam. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां क्षम्यताम्. Let me start from the beginning. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. अरुणाङ्करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्माम्बराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीम् अरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्. श्रीमात्रे नमः. I'll chant the first 3 verses and then we'll directly go to the 51st verse for practice. Shrimata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarankushojjvala Manorupekshukodanda पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जत् ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला. So let's move to the 51st verse. So let me try to call out the names. Shubha Gopal Bhagini, can you chant Dushta Dura?
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Dushta dura durachara shamani dosha varjita sarvagnya sandra karuna samanadhika varjita.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, madam. Dhanyawada.
Geeta Vishwanathan Bhagini, 52nd verse. Geeta Bhagini, I've unmuted you. Okay, let me move to the next person.
Namaste, Mata. Can
Haan,
you
go
hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Geeta Vishnu. Samyata.
No problem. Go ahead.
Sarvashaktimahi Sarvamangala Sadgadi Prada Sarveshwari Sarvamayi Sarvamantra Swarupini.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Purnima Bhagini,
Yes, ma'am.
53rd verse.
Okay, ma'am. सर्वयन्त्रात्मिका सर्वतन्त्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मीर्मृदप्रिया
Mahalakshmirmrudapriya.
महालक्ष्मीर्मृदप्रिया.
It is da, like ta, tha, da. Okay, and it is not da. I'll repeat again. You can listen carefully. Mahalakshmirmrudapriya.
Can I try, ma'am?
Yes.
महालक्ष्मीर्मृदप्रिया.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank
Namita
you.
Bhagini, 54th verse.
प्रणाम मैम।
Pranam.
महारूपा महापूज्या महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्त्वा महाशक्तिर्महारतिः।
Dhanyavadaha. Sneha Bhagini.
धन्यवाद।
Sneha Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Please chant.
महाभोगा महेश्वर्या महावीर्य महाभला महाबुद्धिर्सिद्धि महायोगेश्वरीश्वरी.
Okay, Kanda. I will chant once. Will you repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mahabhoga Mahaishwarya.
महाभोगा महेश्वर्या
Mahavirya Mahabala.
महावीर्या महाबला
Mahabuddhir Mahasiddhir Mahayogeshwareshwari.
महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महायोगेश्वरेश्वरी.
Uttamam. Ati Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः मैम.
Which class you are in school?
Fifth मैम.
Sorry?
Fifth मैम.
Okay. Ramaswamy Mahodaya, 56th verse.
महाभोगमगैश्वर्या महावीर्या
Kshamyata.
महाभोगमगैश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महा योगेश्वरेश्वरी.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
Lalita Bhagini. There are two Lalitas. I don't know who did not get an opportunity last week. Anyways, Lalita Bhagini.
Yes, namaste.
Namaste. 56th verse.
Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayagakramaradhya, Mahabhairava Pujita.
Uttamam.
Namaste.
Namaste. Small observation. See, when you chanted Mahabhairava Pujita, you told the Dirgha correctly. Mahabhairava Pujita, you told. But when you chanted other words, okay, Mahatantra, Mahamantra, so little Dirgha should be given. Even in the Mahayaga Kramaradhya, Mahayaga Kramaradhya, you stop there. But there is a Dirgha there also. Would you like to try again?
Yeah. Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayagakramaradhya, Mahabhairava Pujita.
Dhanyavadaha. Sridevi Prashant.
Thank you. Nasana.
Sridevi.
Namaskara.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram. 57th verse. Yes.
Maheshwarya Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini Mahakamesha Mahishi Mahatripura Sundari.
Can you chant the first line again together without taking a pause?
Maheshwarya Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini.
Okay, listen carefully. I will chant. You can chant after me. Okay? Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini.
Maheshwarya Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini.
So there is no Maheshwarya there. It is Maheshwara Mahakalpa.
Maheshwara Mahakalpa.
Correct. Can you try now?
Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini.
Oh, good. I know it is difficult to chant together. That comes by
I
practice.
have bit
Don't worry.
cold.
No problem. Next
Thank
line,
you.
okay? No, listen, next line. This Mahishi, no? This has to be Sha. Mahakamesha Mahishi Mahatripura Sundari.
Mahakamesha Mahishi Mahatripura Sundari.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Pavana Ragottaman. 58th verse. Pavana Ram. I have unmuted you. Pavana Bhagini, we are not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Please go ahead. 58th verse.
चतुष्षष्ट्युपचाराढ्य चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटियोगिनी गणसेविता.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Nidhi Bhagini, I have unmuted you. 59.
मनुविद्या चन्द्रविद्या चन्द्रमण्डलमध्यका चारुरूपा चारुहासा चारुचन्द्रकलाधरा.
धन्यवादाः. जयश्री सुरेश भगिनी.
चराचर जगन्नाथ चक्रराजनिकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मरागसमप्रभा.
Uttamam, you chanted well, just that bit of stress for the Mahaprana and the flow. If it's okay with you, I'll chant once, you can repeat after me. Charachara Jagannatha
Charachara Jagannatha
Chakrarajaniketana
Chakrarajaniketana
Parvati Padmanayana
Parvati Padmanayana
Padmaragasamaprabha.
Padmaragasamaprabha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Trupti Jambusaria.
Yes, madam. Can you hear me, madam?
Yes, I can. 61st verse.
Yes, madam. Panchapretasana Panchabrahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnanaganarupini.
I will chant once. You can repeat after me. Just observe where I'm chanting. For example, after this first padam, that is in second padam, Pancha Brahma. Ba is getting doubled, okay? And in the last line, Vijnana Ghanarupini, okay? Now I will chant, you repeat after me. Pancha Pretasanasina
Panchapretasana
Panchabrahmaswarupini
Panchabrahmaswarupini
Chinmayi Paramananda
Chinmayi Paramananda
Vijnana Ghanarupini
Vijnanaganarupini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me just quickly check. Jayanti Vaidya Bhagini, 62nd verse. Jayanti. Ram.
ध्यानध्यातृधेय रूपा धर्म विवर्जिता विश्वरूपा जागरिणी स्वपन्ति तैजसात्मिका.
Very good. That's just the first padam. I will chant once. You repeat, okay? Only the first padam. Dhyanadhyatridhyeya रूपा
ध्यानध्यातृधेय रूपा.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः मैम.
Jyoti Singh, 63rd verse.
63rd. Ram. Supta pragnatmika turya sarvavastha vivarjita shrishtikarti brahma rupa gotri govinda rupini.
So this is first word is supta, pa anta, okay? Supta, okay? And in sarvavastha vivarjita, sarva dirga, sarvavastha vivarjita.
Yes.
Then in the second line, srishti kartri.
Kartri.
Srishti
Oh,
Kartri.
Kartri.
I will
Okay.
chant once, you repeat after me.
Yes.
Supta Pragnatmika Turya
Supta Pragnatmika Turya. Supta
once. Sarvavastha Vivarjita
Sarvavastha Vivarjita
Srishtikartri Brahmarupa
Srishtikartri Brahmarupa
Goptri Govindarupini
Goptri Govindarupini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Vinod Mahodaya, 64th verse.
Ram Mahoday.
Sarvavastha
One sec.
Vivarjita.
Go ahead. Yeah, you can go ahead, Vinod Mahodaya.
संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रहदा पञ्चकृत्यपरायणा.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Venkataraman Sharma Mahodaya, 65th verse. Venkataraman Mahodaya, I unmuted you.
Madam, Ram.
Ram, 65th verse.
Okay, madam. Bhanu Mandala Madhyastha Bhairavi Bhagamalini Batmana Batmasana Bhagavati Batmanabha
Sahodari.
Sakodari Batmanabha Sakodari.
I will chant once word by word. You can repeat once after me, if it is okay with you.
Thank you.
Bhanu Mandala Madhyastha
Bhanu Mandala Madhyastha
Bhairavi Bhagamalini
Bhagamalini
Padmasana
Padmasana
Bhagavati Padmanabha Sahodari.
Batmanabha Sahodari.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaha, madam.
Sahana Shetty, 66th verse.
Yes, ma'am. उन्मेष निमिषोत्पन्न विपन्न भुवनावली सहस्रशीर्षवदना सहस्राक्षी सहस्रपात्.
Dhanyavadaha. So this is not just for Sahana Bhagini, in general for all of us. When we come to the last letter, we in the that we are closing or in the urgency of finishing whatever, the last letter the volume will become less. So be conscious of that. So now in this case, Sahana Bhagini, I could not hear the th at all. I don't know if it was network issue or the volume. Sahasrapat. That has to be heard. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay,
iPhone Hema. That is the name. Hema Bhagini. I've unmuted you. Okay, I cannot hear. Rajashekar Adula Mahodaya. I've unmuted you.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Abrahmakitajjanani varnashramavithayini nijajñarupa nigama punya phalaprada.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha. Let me quickly check. Harika. Harika Bhagini,
Yes, ma'am.
68th verse.
श्रुतिसीमन्तसिन्धूरी कृतपादाब्जधूलिका सकलागमसन्दोहा सुक्तिसम्पुटमौक्तिका.
Harika Bhagini, see these two lines, like the first line is one name, okay? And second line is one name. So we do not take a pause or we do not stop after Sinduri. We have to chant this continuously. And this in Sinduri, the is a Alpaprana. Similarly, in the second line, we should not stop after Sandoha. It has to continue like one name or one line. So I will chant once, you follow after me. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Shruti Simanta Sinduri Krutapadabrajulika. Okay, one second. Harika Bhagini, you can repeat now after me.
श्रुतिसीमन्तसिन्दूरी कृतपादाब्जधूलिका.
Dhulika.
Dhulika.
This is L. Okay. Dhulika. Yeah. Sakalagama Sandoha Shukti Samputa Mauktika.
Sakalagama Sandoha Sukti Samputa Mauktika.
Dhanyavadaha. I think Hema Bhagini, I've unmuted you again. Would you like to chant now? 69th verse. Okay, maybe move to the next person. Satyavati Bhagini, 69th.
पुरुषार्थप्रदा पूर्ण भोगिनी भुवनेश्वरी अंबिका नंदिनिधन हरि ब्रह्मेन्द्र सेविता.
Hari
ब्रह्मेन्द्र सेविता. Sorry.
Dhanyavadaha. Vidya Bhagini, 70th verse. There are 3 Vidyas, so I will call out all the names because I don't know which Vidya I had noted down. Okay, Vidya Bhagini, Vidhya. Bhagini, I've unmuted you, I guess. Yeah.
Narayana Rupa Nama Rupa Vivarjita Hrinkari Hrimati Hridya Heyopadeya Varjita.
Heyopadeya Varjita.
Heyopadeya Varjita.
Dhanyavadaha. There's another Vidya Bhagini. I've unmuted you. Okay, that's good. Veda Vidyananda, 71st verse. I have unmuted you, Mahodaya. Veda Vidyananda. I have unmuted you. Are you able to hear? Okay, let me move to the next person. Bhanumati Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om.
Raja Raja Chitarani Ramya Rajivalochana Ranjani Ramani Rasya Ranat.
Okay. Bhagini, I will chant once. Okay. Bhanumati Bhagini, I have unmuted you again. I will chant once. You repeat after me.
Okay,
Raja Raja Chitaragni
राजराजार्चिता राज्ञी
रम्या राजीवलोचना
रम्या राजीवलोचना
रञ्जनी रमणीरस्या
रञ्जनी रमणीरस्या
रणत्किङ्किणिमेखला
रणत्किङ्किणिमेखला
मेखला
मेखला
धन्यवादः Veda Vidyananda Mahodaya, there is a lot of disturbance when you unmute. I'm not able to hear anything. So I'm
Hello.
Yeah. Would you like to chant now?
72?
Yes, Rama Rakendu.
Rama Rakendu Vadana Ratirupa Ratipriya Rakshakari Rakshasagni Rama Ramana Lampata.
Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, Dhanyavad.
Anita Bhagini, 73rd verse.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Kamya Kamakala Rupa Kadamba Kusuma Priya Kalyani Jagati Kanda Karuna Rasa Sagara.
Uttamam, Dhanyavadaha. Rita
Dhanyavada
Udaykumar Bhagini, 74th verse.
Ram.
Ram.
Kalavati Kalalapa Kanda Kandam Kadambari Priya Varadava Manayana Varuni Madavihwala.
Dhanyavadaha. Divya Srinivas.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. 75th verse. Yes.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विदात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी.
The first word, can you chant again in the first line, first word?
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या.
There is, yeah. If you do not mind, can you chant the whole verse again? Because I'm hearing another voice. I've unmuted everyone now. Can you chant?
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विदात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी.
Dhanyavadaha. Please do not unmute till the time I call out. Vanashri Singh. Vanashri Singh, 76. Mahodaya, you chanting?
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskaram.
क्षेत्र स्वरूपा क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ पालिनी क्षय वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्चिता.
Can I chant once and would you like to repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Kshetra Swarupa.
क्षेत्र स्वरूपा
क्षेत्रेशी
क्षेत्रेशी
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी
क्षयवृद्धिविनिर्मुक्ता
क्षयवृद्धिविनिर्मुक्ता
क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता
क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता
You should not say pala, it is pala. Kshetrapaalasamarchita.
क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता
Kshetrapalasamarchita.
क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता
Similar to how you said pala instead of pala, you should not
Okay.
say kshetra, you should say kshetrapala, kshetrapala. Okay?
क्षेत्रपाल
Kshetrapalasamarchita.
क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता
So kshetra, it's not kshetra, it's kshetrapala.
क्षेत्र ओके मैम
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः
Nagarajan B 77. Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
The district 77.
Yes.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya Vandaru Janavatsala Vagvadini Vamakesi Vanni Mandalavasini
Vanhi Mandalavasini.
Vahni Mandalavasini
First na. Vanhi Mandalavasini.
Vanhi Mandalavasini.
Dhanyavadaha. Others, please don't unmute when one person is chanting. Neetu Bhagini, Neetu Razdan, 78th verse. Neetu Bhagini, I've unmuted you.
Pranam, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Bhakti mat kalapalatika pashu pasha vimochini samhrita shesha pashanda sadachara pravartika.
Good try. Just listen once how I'm chanting. You have chanted correctly, but it should come like, when we chant something, it should flow. It should be like what we say, like Sulalitaya. So it should come out easily. Okay, so I'll chant once, you repeat after me. Bhakti mat kalpalatika.
Bhakti mat kalpalatika.
Pashupasha vimochini.
Pashupasha vimochani.
Vimochini.
Vimochini.
Samhrita shesha pashanda.
Samhrita shesha pashanda.
Sadachara pravartika.
Sadachara pravartika.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Ranganathan, P.N. Ranganathan Mahodaya, 79th verse. Ranganathan Mahodaya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. 70.
9. Tapatrayagni.
Tapatrayagni santapta samarlatana chantrika taruni tapasaradhya tanumadhya tamopaha.
Uttamam. The first line you should try chanting without taking a break. Would you like to try?
Tapatrayagni Tapatrayagni santapta samadhatana santrika. Sorry, okay.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Pallavi Bhagini. I have unmuted you. It's 80th verse.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Can you please chant this? Pallavi Bhagini. Can you please chant the 80th verse?
चितिसस्तपदलक्षार्था चिदेकरस्वरूपिणी स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूत ब्रह्मध्यान सन्ततिः.
Small observations, Bhagini. See, in Chitis Tatpada Lakshyartha, Tha is Mahaprana. And in second line, you should not take a pause or a break after Lavi Bhuta. It should be continuous. I will chant. You can repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Chitis Tatpada Lakshyartha.
चितिस्तत्पदलक्षार्था
Lakshyartha.
Lakshartha.
Ksha and Ya, okay? Kshya. Kshya. Lakshyartha.
Lakshartha.
Say Ksha and Ya, okay? So that's Kshya. Ksha, Ya. Join. Ksha. Lakshyartha.
Lakshartha.
Okay. So this part you can practice. It's Ksha plus Ya. It should sound as not Ksha. It is Kshya. Ksha and Ya. Okay. So Kshya. Kshya. Okay.
Okay.
Chidekarasarupiणी.
चिदेकरस्वरूपिणी
स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूत ब्रह्माद्यानन्द सन्ततिः.
स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूत ब्रह्माद्यानन्दसन्ततिः.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So just remember, for the benefit of all, wherever we have one complete line, we should not take a pause. So we should chant together. Dhanyavadaha. I see there are many other people who have raised hands, so I'm calling Ujjwal Mahodaya. Namaste. Sorry, 81st verse.
परा प्रत्यक्षितिरूपा पश्यन्ति परदेवता मध्यमा वैखरीरूपा भक्तमानसहंसिका.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha. Harinarayan Mahodaya, I hope I haven't called you earlier. 82nd verse.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste. Let me unmute this.
कामेश्वर प्राणनाडी कृतज्ञा कामपूजिता शृंगार रस संपूर्णा जया जारंधर स्थिता.
Tamam. Just the first padam I will chant once. Kameshwara prananadi.
कामेश्वर प्राणनाडी
कृतज्ञा कामपूजिता.
कृतज्ञा कामपूजिता.
Dhanyavadaha. Ratna Bhagini. I have unmuted you. 83rd verse.
ओड्यानपीठनिलया बिन्दुमण्डलवासिनी रहो यागक्रमाराध्या रहस्तर्पणतर्पिता.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha. Nandini Bhagini. Nandini B. 84. Nandini, I have unmuted you, Bhagini. I guess. Let me try.
सद्यप्रसादिनी विश्वसाक्षिणि साक्षिवर्जिता षडङ्गदेवता युक्ता पाड्गुण षड्गुण्य पूरिता.
Okay, I will chant once. So in the first word, actually, there is a if you can see, there is a upadhvaniya, that is visarga and pra. So sadyah prasadini. Repeat, please.
सद्यः प्रसादिनी
Vishwasakshini.
विश्वसाक्षिणी
Sakshivarjita.
साक्षिवर्जिता
Shadangadevata yukta.
षडङ्गदेवता युक्ता
षाड्गुण्य परिपूरिता.
षड्गुण्य परिपूरिता.
धन्यवादः. Anuja Nagarajan, 85th verse. Anuja, I can't hear you. Okay, let me move on to the next person, okay? Lakshmi P. Bhagini, I have unmuted you.
नित्या क्लिन्ना निरुपमा निर्वाण सुखदायिनी नित्या षोडाशिकारूपा दशरीरिणी.
Okay, I'll chant once, repeat once, okay? Nitya Klinna Nirupama Nirvana Sukhadayini Nitya Shodashikarupa Shrikantardhasharirini. धन्यवादः. Sujata Gonamadala.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. 86th verse.
Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasiddha Parameshwari Mula Prakriti Ravyakta Vyakta Vyaktaswarupini.
One small observation. Moola Prakriti is there, na? There is this pa is there which is getting doubled. Moola Prakriti Ravyakta.
Mula Prakriti Ravyakta.
Moola Prakriti Ravyakta.
Mula Prakriti Ravyakta.
धन्यवादः.
Vyaktaswarupini.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. कार्तिक महोदय.
Yes, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, Vyapini Vividhakara, please.
Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
The second line has to be chanted together. Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
Correct. हेमलता सैफोन् धन्यवादः महोदय भक्तहार्दतमो भेद हेमलता
भक्तहार्दतमो भेद भानुमद्भानुसन्ततिः शिवदूती शिवाराध्या शिवमूर्तिर्शिवङ्करी.
The first line, can you please chant again?
भक्तहार्दतमो भेद भानुमद्भानुसन्ततिः.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. There's one more person who is messaged. iPhone Hema. Is it the same person or different? I don't know. So I'm unmuting you. iPhone Hema. 89th verse.
शिवप्रिया शिवपरा शिष्टेष्टा शिष्टपूजिता अप्रमेया स्वप्रकाशा मनोवाचामगोचरा.
Okay, Uttamam. Just a small thing. This Sha is sounding like Sa to me. I don't know if it is a network or is it regional influence. Sometimes some of us, because our regional languages will be like that, we tend to chant Sha Sa. So just note Shiva Priya, Shiva Para. Can you chant once? The first padam only.
शिवप्रिया शिवपरा
Shivapara.
शिवपरा.
Perfect. Dhanyavada. So you can pronounce. So you should pronounce Sha only. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Dhanyavada bhagini. Chandrasekhar, yes. 90th verse.
Namaste, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
90th, right? Chichaktischetana rupa jada shaktir jadatmika gayatri vyakriti sandhya vijabrinda nishevita.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Juturu Shweta Bhagini. I have unmuted you. 91st verse. Shweta Bhagini. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Vijaya, yes, 91st verse, please.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Tatvasana Tatvamayi Panchakoşantarasthita Nissima Mahima Nitya Yauvana Madashalini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Sudha Bhagini. 92nd verse.
मदघूर्णितरक्ताक्षी मदपाटलगण्डभूः चन्दनद्रवदिग्धाङ्गी चाम्पेयकुसुमप्रिया.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Geeta Kishore Bhagini. 93rd verse.
Hare Krishna.
Ram Ram Ram.
Kushla Komalakara Gurukulla Kuleshwari Kulakundalaya Kaula Margatat Parasevita.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
KV Sangeeta.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. 94th verse.
कुमारगणनाथम्बा तुष्टिर्पुष्टिर्मतिर्धृतिः शान्ति स्वस्तिमते कान्तिर्नन्दिनी विघ्ननाशिनी.
Okay, second line Bhagini. Shanti swastimati kantir nandini vighnanashini.
शान्तिर्स्वस्तिमते कान्तिर्नन्दिनी विघ्ननाशिनी.
This second line I will chant again, word by word, okay? Shanti swastimati.
Shanti swastimati.
Kantir nandini.
Kantir nandini.
Vignanashini.
Vignanashini.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
Anu Bhagini. I have unmuted you. 95th verse.
राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram.
तेजोवती त्रिनयना लोलाक्षी कामरूपिणी मालिनी हंसिनी माता मलयाचलवासिनी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. Anupama Bhatt Bhagini, 96th verse.
सुमुखी नलिनी शुभ्रो शोभना सुरनायिका कालकंठी कांतिमती क्षोभिणी सूक्ष्मरूपिणी.
Uttamam. Just one small observation. This is actually for all of us. So this Subhru is there, no? So if you want to take a break here, you have to chant the Visarga. Subhruhu Shobhana Suranayika. But if you are chanting this together, you should chant this as Subhru Shobhana Suranayika. You should not take a pause, just Subhru Shobhana. No. Either you chant Subhruhu Shobhana or Subhru Shobhana. Okay?
May I chant again? No?
Yeah, first line only.
सुमुखी नलिनी शुभ्रुशोभना सुरनायिका.
Subhru Shobhana Suranayika.
शुभ्रुशोभना सुरनायिका.
Dhanyavadaha. I think I moved the slide somewhere. Sorry. Yeah, 97th verse. I'll quickly see. Bipin Ponne Gada Mahodaya. Bipin Mahodaya.
Hello.
Ram Ram Ram. 97th verse.
Okay. वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्धविद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी.
धन्यवादाः.
राम राम.
राम राम. शिवरामन महोदय, 98th. Shivaraman. Okay. Sunita Bani, 98th verse.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana Khadam Gadi Praharana Vadai Naganamatvita.
Okay. Can I chant once, Mahodaya? Will you repeat, please, after me? Shivaraman Mahodaya?
Yes, yes.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana
Khatvangadi Praharana.
Khatvangadi Praharana
Vadanaika Samanvita.
Vadanaika Samannita.
Dhanyavadaha. All of us have to take note that in this case, Khatvangadi Praharana, Pa is getting doubled. So, Khatvangadi Praharana is the correct way to pronounce. Let me just quickly see who else I have to call. Okay. Think what is the time?
I'll just call 2 more people so that we will reach the 100th verse. Deepa Bhagini, 99th verse.
Namaskaram, ma.
Namaskaram.
पायसान्न प्रिया त्वक्स्था पशुलोकभयङ्करी अमृतादिमहाशक्तिर्संवृता डाकिनीश्वरी.
So there is no refa after Shakti. Amrutadi Mahashakti Samrita Dakinishwari.
Okay, ma'am. Amritadi Mahashakti Samvrita Dakinishwari. Ma'am, I had a question. Can I ask you, please?
Yeah. Can you type it out in the chat window? Because we'll just finish this 100th verse and I will answer it in the last. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Just give me 1 minute. Advait is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Can I teach you the 100th verse, Advait?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anahatabjanilaya.
Halaptasaniyaya.
Okay. I'll split and teach, okay? Anahatabja.
Anatas.
Anahatabja.
Just wait.
Anaptachatas.
Nilaya Sindhu.
Ninayan.
Okay, Advait, 1 second. Anahatabja.
Anamhatabja.
Nilaya.
Nilaiha.
Shyamabha.
Samabha.
Vadanadvaya.
Vadanadvaya.
Very good. Damstro.
Damsro.
Damstrojvalaksha.
Damsrotvalaksha.
Maladi.
Mala.
Maladi.
Ladi.
Dhara.
Dharha.
Rudhira.
Rudiha.
Samsthita.
Samstita.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha, Kanda. So Advait, I think, is just 4 years old, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well chanted,
Yes, ma'am.
Advait. Okay, very good, Kanda. 100th verse. Let me call out one. Others, please be on mute. I'll just call out one person for the day last, and then we can do the Mangalam. Meghraj Singhi. Meghraj.
Ram Ram.
Ha. Can you try this?
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते, इदानीं श्रूयते.
अनाहताब्जनिलया श्यामाभावदनद्वया दंष्ट्रोज्ज्वलाक्षमालादिधरा रुधिरः संस्थिता.
Dhanyavadaha. So I'll just see what are the. We will stop here today. I'm just quickly seeing any questions. Regarding the completion of the verses, in next couple of classes we will be completing. So I think we are on November 22nd today. In 2 to 3 classes we will complete learning the new verses also. There was a question regarding this. And 77th verse, it is not Vahani, it is Vanhi always. It's Vanhi. Okay. And when there is a big name, I know there is a difficulty for us to chant together, the breathing, holding our breath and chanting the line continuously. One, it comes by practice. Second, you can increase your speed a little bit. If we are chanting at Anahatabja Nilaya, so then holding the breath for a long time is difficult. So if you go one step faster, Anahatabja Nilaya, so you can chant the entire line easily. So having said that, this will come by practice, holding the breath and chanting that entire line together. So don't worry about it. Okay. So difference between ksha, half ka and full sha. So it is k plus sha, ksha. So there are three things, sha, sha and ksha. Okay. Sha as in Shankara, sha as in Shanmukha, ksha as in Kshanam, Kshetram, ksha, ksha. So that is ksha. Sha, sha and ksha. Okay. Is there any mark on the script, Anita Bhagini? I did not understand your question. Any mark on the script? You mean for assessment?
No, Bhagini, like you say that, okay, this line you have to say the names continuously without break. So how do we know which line to?
Okay, yeah. So it's very easy to identify. Let me show you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Let me go back to any of the verses. So in 88th verse, okay, the first line is a full name. See, for example, now you see here, there is no break here, right? There is no break after any letter. You look at the second line, Shiva Duti, Shivaradhya. So I know I can take a pause after Shivaradhya. And then I will chant Shiva Murti. But in case of first line, you cannot take a pause. It is one name. Okay. So it is always given continuously. So this line has to be chanted in one go. Second line, you can take a pause after these 8 letters, after one padam. Okay. So Bhakta Harda Tamo Bheda Bhanu Madbhanu Santatihi together. When you come to second line, Shiva Duti Shivaradhya Shiva Murti Shivankari. So I took a pause after Shivaradhya. That is how we identify. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So for example, in 87, you can't take a pause in the second line. It has to be chanted together.
Together.
Okay. So let us stop here. I know there are still people who haven't got an opportunity today. Again, next class, the first part of it, please raise, only those of you who haven't got an opportunity, raise your hands. Dhanyavadaha. Let us do the Mangalam. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Pranams to everyone. Punar Milamaha.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyawada for giving me the opportunity. Nice.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.